I got some packages. I'm at my office and thought I'd show you some. So 2 of them are for the Beauty Shortlist Awards, and this one's from ASOS. It's a good one. But the first from the Beauty Shortlist Awards that came in, I tried these products last year. They're part of the awards, and they're again this year. I love them. I think they're amazing. They're all natural products, like I always say. And they are, I never know if I'm saying this name right. Kahina is the name. And honestly, everything that I've used from them, I love. I didn't try this oil. I think this is new, so that'll be interesting. Their face cream is really good. Eye serum, I think it's so important. Your eyes are like everything if you don't want to age. That shows your age the fastest is your eyes, so you should really take care of them, like so much. Anyway, the brightening serum I have used and I love it, and the oil cleanser. I cleanse with oil, and then I also regular like foamy cleanser afterwards because I really like to feel like I'm getting it all off. But their products are amazing. I can't wait to try the new stuff. Next is something new that I had never tried before for the Beauty Shortlist Awards. It's called Tara, I guess. I hope I'm saying that right. I always hate like having to say the names and saying I'm wrong. Hair oil, scalp massage oil. I love the packaging. Look at that. And it comes in this bottle. Scalp and hair treatment. Restorative scalp and hair treatment promotes growth for both hair derived from precious proprietary blend of natural oils. Jamaican black cat. Okay, so castor oil is the best thing to grow your hair ever. Eyebrows, eyelashes, your hair, castor oil, and that's actually the black castor oil is even better, so that's really good. And this also has coconut oil in it. So let's smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells very pepperminty. This was in there too. I just saw it. It's for men, and it's a grooming therapy. It says for invigorating hair and beard oil. It stimulates, enhances hair growth. So it's very cool that they do something for guys also. I'm gonna have to find a guy that wants to give this a try. We'll give this a try and see how it is. Finally, here's what came in the ASOS. These 2 boxes. And I don't remember, but so these boots. I thought they were cute for the snow, and not a pair that are gonna get destroyed because I've destroyed way too many pairs of really good boots in the heels in bad weather. I mean, like destroyed. So I thought these were good because they have a thicker heel and they have this rubber sole, so they'll be perfect for like walking in the snow. And they'll probably pair really cute, like a longer kind of dress, maybe a skirt with tights. Cute. What do you think? I forgot how much they were. These also. Okay, they're very similar, but I thought they were really cute to get because they had a pointy toe and also a chunkier heel. This is like happening right now, so I feel like I am gonna get a pair like the ones I showed you last night that lace up the front, but I thought these would be really cute with a long skirt. And let me show you because they're like, it would help if I unzip them. They are like a see-through kind of fabric, not a see-through, but they're like woven boots, so I feel like they're good for this season, and they'll even be good for springtime. And the heel's not super high. I love really, but I wanted to try a couple pairs that weren't as high but still feel good to me. I can't wear low heels. I don't do it. So, and the pointy toe. So what do you guys think? These are really cute. I want to say these were maybe like $50. I think they were like super so cheap for them. So I may be wrong. It says 85 pounds, but I think they were on sale. Because check, these boots were originally 85 pounds, which is like $108, and I paid $65. So still like crazy cheap for these boots. I mean, that's nothing. A little pair of leather woven boots.